Namaste and a very, very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. My name is Mithun. Friends, I'm very, very happy to start a new playlist on AWS services. Here, I'll be talking about AWS services. Mainly, my focus will be on Amazon SageMaker. Now, what is Amazon SageMaker? Since this is the first video on AWS services, I will be giving you a high-level perspective on Amazon SageMaker. At a later stage in the subsequent videos, we will be seeing practically how we can build, train, and deploy models in Amazon SageMaker. But first things first, what exactly is Amazon SageMaker? To use simple layman language, Amazon SageMaker is a platform offered by AWS, and using this platform, you can build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. So this is just a machine learning platform which allows us to build, train, and deploy machine learning models. Now, not just machine learning models, you can also go ahead and build NLP projects, you can build statistical models, and you can also build deep learning models using this particular service. Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed service that we can use to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. This is a standard definition that you will get when you Google for Amazon SageMaker. Now, let us start by reviewing some of the major features of Amazon SageMaker on the AWS console. To the left side, you see some important items like ground truth. You see notebook instance, pre-processing. Now, where does all this fit in? These are all some of the features that Amazon SageMaker offers. Machine learning models require large, high-quality labeled data sets. You can use the ground truth to build these data sets. So when I expand this, you can see it offers facilities like labeling jobs, labeling the data sets, labeling workforces. So this is what we can use ground truth for. Making a move on, notebook. What exactly is notebook? Amazon SageMaker notebook instances are fully managed machine learning compute instances running the Jupyter Notebook app. We can use the notebook instances to prepare and process the data, write codes to train our models, deploy our models to Amazon SageMaker hosting, and test and validate our models. Let's make a move on to training now. What exactly is training? Amazon SageMaker provides features to monitor and manage the training and validation of our machine learning models. So this option of training allows us to monitor as well as manage the training and validation of our machine learning models. Moving on, there is something called as inference here. What exactly is inference? Now, once we train the model, what is the next thing that we do? We want to deploy it using Amazon SageMaker Inference Pipeline. So this facility helps us deploy the model after we have trained the model. Finally, we can find many pre-built models. So we can find many pre-built models that have already been built in their platform, and we can use a wide variety of machine learning use cases in what is called as AWS Marketplace. So these are some of the features and facilities that Amazon SageMaker offers. We will be exploring this in depth in the subsequent videos that I will be making. However, since this is the very first video, I just wanted to give a high-level perspective about what is Amazon SageMaker. Now, there is something called as the free tier version. Let us just try to explore what is this free tier version. Before even I take you to the free tier version, what I would request you is that it would be very, very important if you are an aspiring data scientist to pick up at least one of the three cloud platforms. There are majorly three cloud platforms that most companies are using in today's day and age. First, AWS, second, Azure, and the third one is GCP. It is important to have knowledge of at least one of these three cloud platforms. I will be making videos on each of these platforms in the coming days. Amazon SageMaker is not the only service offered by AWS. There are other services as well, like EC2 instance. EC2 refers to Elastic Compute Cloud. We also have what is called as S3 bucket. It is just a storage facility wherein you can store any of your files. If you want to store your data set like an image file or a CSV file or a text file or a spreadsheet, even the output, you can basically dump in what is called as a S3 bucket. Now, let's move on to the free tier version. Let me open up Google search. So this is my Google. Here, what I will do is I'll just type AWS free tier. You can see here, there are many links here. I can just choose this option, free cloud computing services. When we choose this option, free cloud computing services, you can see here, it will open up this page. And here you can use you can click on what is called as create a free account. By clicking on this particular box, you will be able to create a free account. I will not be sort of clicking on this because I already have an account. Once you click on this particular link, you will be able to sort of create your own free account. Now, you will see a lot of simple questions like what's your name, what's your phone number, the region, and other details like the city, address, postal code. It will also ask for your credit card details. Supplying your credit card details is very, very important here. Once you enter your credit card details, you will be able to get a free account for yourself. Now, one of the things here is that maybe Google or any of the other cloud platforms, giving your credit card becomes very, very important. In Google also, you have $300 of free credit for 1 year. Now, there's nothing to be scared when we say credit card, you will not be charged, but it is very important that you give your credit card details in any of the cloud platforms. Now, the objective of showing this page is to sort of tell you what all features can you avail when you have a free account. As it says here, you can explore more than 100 products and start building on AWS using the free tier. So you are free to use approximately 100 different products. As I scroll down, you can see some of the important services that you can use. What is called as Amazon EC2. You will be able to use this for 750 hours per month, which is quite a lot because you can use the free tier for learning purposes. And this is good enough for you to learn a lot of things when you have Amazon EC2, and this comes free of cost. One important thing here is that you'll have to be using either the T2.micro or the T3.micro instance. We'll be talking about how to create instances and such things in the subsequent videos. But as of now, if you want to avail this facility, please make sure that you're using the instance type, namely T2.micro or T3.micro. Along with this, you can also make use of what is called as Amazon S3. This is nothing but the storage facility which AWS offers. 5 GB of standard storage is what you will be able to avail. The third facility here is what is called as Amazon RDS. It is nothing but relational database service. If you are mostly into creating new application, if you're developing new application, testing the existing application, or if you want to simply gain some hands-on exposure, you can avail this facility of Amazon RDS. If I scroll down further, you can see certain other facilities like Amazon DynamoDB. You can see you can use Amazon SageMaker, or it says 2 months of free trial, machine learning for every data scientist and developer. So this is what I will be mostly working on. But if your area of interest is NoSQL database and such things, you can avail this facility, namely Amazon DynamoDB. Finally, what we have is Amazon Lambda. Now, you can avail 1 million free requests per month when you use the Amazon Lambda service. And all these things, as you can see here, this is all part of the free tier. My focus area will be mostly Amazon SageMaker, for which you have to create a free account. I will be sort of pasting this link in the description so that you can quickly click on this particular link. And by answering simple questions like your name, providing your city as well as your region, you'll be able to quickly create a free tier account. Now, when it comes to Amazon Lambda, Amazon Lambda is an event-driven serverless computing platform provided by Amazon. We can use Amazon Lambda when we need to access several services or do custom processing. As data flows through services, we use Lambdas to run custom code on that data stream. Apart from this, when you scroll down, you can use multiple services here. I will not be discussing each of these things. We can also use Amazon Redshift, Amazon SNS, and other services as well. But as I said, my focus area will be mostly Amazon SageMaker. With this, I have come to the end of today's presentation. If you have liked this video, I request you to subscribe to my channel. I request you to hit the like button and share my videos with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much. Have a great day.